To export images from the Ibex Lite NXT, press the Select key to awaken the menu options. Navigate to and open the Review menu. Local files will include all JPEGs and MP4s stored on the internal drive. Highlight and select the images that you wish to export, then press the triangle key for options. Choose Export Selection to transfer your chosen images to the USB thumb drive. Remember that the Freeze key functions to exit menus when you're finished. Don't forget to safely eject the drive before removing it from the ultrasound. This can be found in the Review menu or the Settings menu. Failing to do so may corrupt the drive and require you to reformat or replace it. Please see the Lite NXT user manual for more details and additional features.